Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I'm gonna give you guys the BLUM listing date and what's new in the roadmap 2024. As you can see, we're on the official website and they have like all of this that they have done so far, which is like win points, things like that, and then collaboration. And what's next is there will be beta launch, farming, tasks slash quests will be added. You can invite friends, Binance MV program, this many users, drop game, public launch, connect on wallet, and then tribes meme pad, which has been launched within August. And then in the next session there will be swaps, wallets, and perps available. As you can see that it will gonna be fully fledged BLUM product launch, and there you go. This is how you can do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.